Yo! Yo! Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Because this truck is stolen. Yeah? Who are you? Who are you? No, you're not. No, you're not, buddy. And you're on camera, too. Vince, call the police. Hot wiring it? Why don't you use the key? If it's your truck, use the key. Yeah? Sure you are. What are you doing there, buddy? What? This isn't your truck. I talked to the owner today already. And I got you on film, so unless you want to confess something, you better get him here soon.
Yeah.
He's hot wiring the truck right now.
Yeah. He's hot wiring the truck right now. We need a police officer right now. Yeah. Okay.
He's on Tremere.
He's on track.
Give me the phone.
Yeah. Hold on.
Hi there, this is Jason McKenzie. Can you hear me? Okay, so he is now turning right onto Tremere going north, away from Drew Road.